Hi everyone, I'm Shaibi, and today we're going to talk about what to say in greetings when we see someone for the first time or after a while. This lesson is for the beginners. First of all, you'll learn what to say to different people in different situations. Then we'll practice on them. Now, pay attention what these people say to each other based on their relationships. The first situation.
Hello, I'm Jack Carson.
Hello, Mr. Carson. I'm Angelina Smith.
Great to meet you, Ms. Smith.
It's my pleasure to meet you too.
The second situation. Look at the calendar. The day is Thursday, the 9th of January, 2025.
Hello, I'm John.
Hi, I'm Amanda.
Nice to meet you, Amanda.
Nice to meet you too.
3 days later, on Sunday, the 12th of January 2025.
Hi, Amanda. Good to see you again.
Oh, hi, you too.
The third situation.
Hey Jane, good to see you again.
Oh, hey, you too. What's up?
Not much, thanks. How about you?
Not a lot.
Practice. Now answer, please.
Hi, Mrs. Watson. Great to see you again.
Now answer, please.
Hi, Mr. Anderson. You too.
Now answer, please.
Hey Julie, good to see you.
Now answer, please.
Good to see you too.
Now answer, please.
I'm Bob Robinson, Mrs. Cruz. Pleasure to meet you.
Now answer, please.
Hello, Mr. Robinson. Pleasure to meet you too.
Thank you for subscribing and sharing your opinion in the comments below.